Motorola One Fusion Plus tipped to launch by Q2 2020. Motorola is reportedly working on a new series of smartphones that are expected to come out by the end of the second quarter of 2020. The development was previously highlighted by a known tipster who claimed that the new phones will be called Motorola One Fusion and One Fusion Plus. Now, another report has backed the tipster's claims. The report also highlighted some of the key features of the One Fusion Plus, but there's no word on the specifications of One Fusion smartphone. According to the tipster Evan Bloss, Motorola is reportedly developing One Fusion and One Fusion Plus smartphones that are codenamed Titan and Liberty, respectively. Stated that Motorola will launch the One Fusion smartphones in India and the US, at least. The report also highlighted some of the key specifications of One Fusion Plus, but the prices of neither of the smartphones were revealed. It is also important to note that Lenovo-owned Motorola has not confirmed this development, therefore, it is advised taking the information with a pinch of salt. Motorola One Fusion Plus specifications, expected. The dual-SIM Motorola One Fusion Plus will run Android 10 out of the box and pack the Snapdragon 675 SoC. The phone is tipped to come in 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM options, along with 64GB and 128GB storage onboard. The report also claims that the One Fusion Plus will be offered in light blue and light brown color options and include a 12-megapixel primary camera. Lastly, the phone is rumored to come without NFC support. If the rumors are true, then the Fusion One series will be the latest addition to Motorola's One moniker. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.